Changing the starter motor on a 1998 Ford Explorer. One of the most important things you must do is disconnect the battery before you do anything, and that is a 12mm spanner if you're British. If you're not, it's a 12mm wrench or whatever it is. But that's the most important thing you've got to do, is disconnect the battery. Changing the starter motor on these is a pretty simple job, like it is most cars. Well, not a Rolls Royce, it's not. It actually started, so I was able to drive it up on the ramps. And I bought these ramps 20 years ago from Walmart, and they have served me well. Alright, pressing along. Nice bit of cardboard to lay on. It just happens to be a nice day today here in Florida. Oh, give me a second. Hopefully we don't get too much camera wobble. So, you can see that under there. There's a starter motor. Like that bolt there is a 13mm. That's the first one you want to undo. Once you take off that cable, you've then got the second bolt in there, or nut, again 13mm. Undo that, and there's one on the top, which is not too difficult to get to either, just above the solenoid there. And then when it comes down, you've got two wires on the back of the solenoid, and they are 10mm and 12mm, different sizes, so you can never put them on the wrong way. That's the idea of that. And I checked out the price of starter motors. I called up Napa Auto, they wanted 150. I went to partsgeek.com, they wanted 69 plus 9 shipping. And then I went on Amazon, and they're on there $59, and if you got Prime, it's free shipping. Well, I happen to have Prime, so it's going to cost me $59 to replace the starter motor on this 1998 Ford Explorer. Now, if you took this into a garage, you wouldn't walk out with less than a $700 bill. So get some ramps, be safe when you do that, and a couple of tools, which I've got down here. That's all you need, pretty much. I don't know if you can see that. 10, 12, 13. That's all you need to do it. So there you have it, quite a simple job. And I've got the starter motor turning up tomorrow, 2-day shipping, free. And we'll switch it out. But right now I'm going to take it off, and so when the new one comes I can just bolt it straight back on there. So there you have it. Easy job to fix a 1998 Ford Explorer starter.